Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Alison DiLaurentis in Dress to Impress. So in this DTI tutorial, we are recreating the effortlessly iconic style of Alison DiLaurentis from Pretty Little Liars. If you want to know how to get this look, let me show you the steps. So here, let me start with the hair. For the hair, first I'm going to put on this wavy hair and color it blonde. Then I'm going to combine it with this updo hair, this one in here, but I'm going to only use the bangs. Just color it the same. And then click on the bangs category, and in here I'm going to put on this bangs. Okay, so for the outfit, first I'm going to just go to the sections in here and put on this top. Then I'm going to color it yellow, like the one Alison wearing when she's gone missing. And then here I'm going to put on this top, color it the same. And also this top in here. And I'm going to make it tight. And here I'm going to put on this two skirt and color it the same. So for the shoe, I'm going to just wear this sandals in here. You can also wear the Mary Jane shoe if you want to. And then here I'm going to put on this stockings and color it black and remove the feet. So now to complete the look, I'm going to just add some accessory, but here I'm going to just put on this bracelet and color it black. And to complete the top, here I'm going to just wear this jacket from Code Items, this one. And here I'm going to use the top only, change the color into yellow. And just like that, now this is the Alison look for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.